Introducing Geberit Mapress, the press-fit system for every application. It offers a wide range of materials: copper, copper for gas, stainless steel for gas, carbon steel, and cunife. And our Mapress seal rings provide a versatile, effortless solution for all applications. The Mapress system requires no hot works, so no cooling down period, and allows for a safe and hygienic install. The system offers reduced flushing times on commissioning, and if a leaking fitting is found during system testing, corrections can be made while the system is still wet. Material types are easily identified by color-coded pressing indicators, and every fitting comes with recyclable end caps to protect the system from dirt or debris. Installing Geberit supply systems couldn't be easier, with just 6 steps to follow to create a reliable pressed connection. Simply cut the pipe to length and deburr inside and out so as not to damage the seal ring, and clean the swarf from the pipe end. Next, mark the insertion depth appropriately using an insertion depth marker. Then remove the protection plug from the fitting and visually check the seal ring. Insert the pipe into the fitting, ensuring the insertion depth is met. Now press the joint using the appropriate jaw or collar, ensuring correct alignment. Finally, remove the pressing indicator. The press connection is now complete.